Today we're talking about Kaspa, and more specifically, how much 12,500 Kaspa could be worth by the year 2026. With more and more investors turning their eyes to proof-of-work projects beyond Bitcoin, Kaspa has started to generate real buzz in the crypto community. But the big question is, can KAS hold its momentum? And what could your stack of 12,500 coins be worth just a couple of years from now? At the time of this recording, KAS is trading at around 14 cents per coin. That means 12,500 KAS would cost you roughly $1,750 today. Now, that might not sound like much for a crypto investment, but the potential upside here is what has people talking. Kaspa is different from most of the newer crypto projects out there. It's built on a block DAG architecture, rather than a traditional blockchain, which allows it to process multiple blocks simultaneously. What that means in simple terms is faster transactions, high scalability, and still keeping the security of proof-of-work mining. It's one of the only coins out there that's combining the reliability of a POW model with the speed and efficiency that's usually only found in newer consensus mechanisms like proof-of-stake or proof-of-space. A lot of people are comparing Kaspa to what Bitcoin might have looked like if it had been created with today's technology in mind. And because it's still relatively under the radar, many believe KAS is massively undervalued compared to its long-term potential. So where could the price go from here? And more importantly, what could your 12,500 KAS be worth by 2026? Let's look at a few scenarios. If Kaspa reaches 50 cents within the next couple of years, a price target many analysts believe is very realistic given current growth trends, then your 12,500 KAS would be worth a significant profit. Now, if Kaspa breaks past 50 cents and heads toward the $1 mark, that could mark a huge turning point for both investors and the project's visibility in the broader crypto space. There are even more aggressive predictions out there. Some believe KAS could reach between $2 to $5 if adoption continues to grow. Mining remains decentralized, and Kaspa gets listed on more major exchanges. In that kind of scenario, we're talking about serious returns. Those are ambitious numbers, and while they might sound a bit extreme, crypto has proven time and time again that anything can happen during a true bull cycle. But let's be realistic too. Kaspa still has a few challenges ahead. For one, competition in the Layer 1 space is fierce. Projects like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, and even newer POW coins are all fighting for market share. Kaspa's technology is impressive, but it's still going to need strong community support, development momentum, and wider adoption to stay ahead. Another factor is mining. Since Kaspa uses KEV hash and is ASIC resistant, it's more friendly to GPU miners. That's great for decentralization, but it also means that if mining profitability drops or energy costs rise, it could impact the network's health and future hash rate distribution. Still, the fundamentals behind Kaspa are strong. The network is fast, secure, scalable, and doesn't rely on the same energy-hungry algorithms as some of its predecessors. Its emission schedule is also unique. It's designed to be deflationary over time, which could increase scarcity and support price growth if demand keeps rising. Crypto investing is all about balancing risk and potential reward. Always do your own research, diversify where possible, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. While Kaspa shows real promise, it's still a relatively new player in a very unpredictable market. That said, Kaspa has momentum. It's growing fast, has a strong mining community, and is carving out a niche that sits somewhere between Bitcoin and next-gen Layer 1s. If that trend continues, 2026 could be a very interesting year for Kaspa holders. Now, I want to hear what you think. Where do you see Kaspa heading in the next couple of years? Are you bullish on Kaspa? Do you think it could become one of the top proof-of-work coins on the market? Drop your price predictions in the comments and let's see what the community thinks. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.